Hey there, welcome to the Woodcrafting Place. My name is Ray Ruthin, and I am very excited that you've joined me here today in my YouTube channel, the next chapter in my woodworking journey. So I have been woodworking now for 40 years, right over 40 years, since I was a young boy. And I've pretty much made everything from furniture to cabinets, done renovations, I've done small craftware, kitchenware. I've pretty much done a lot of things. But recently, my friends the last couple of years have been telling me, start teaching classes, share some of that knowledge, because they know how much I enjoy teaching. And then recently, while I was looking at a YouTube tutorial on how to fix something, I had that aha moment. I should do this. I should start my own YouTube channel, start bringing some of my woodworking knowledge to the world at large and share some of what I learned. So here we are. It means the world to me that you've joined me here today. I hope you get as much enjoyment or at least some value out of this channel. Stay tuned and make sure you subscribe and hit the bell. That way you get notified each week of all the content as we publish it. Again, thanks for joining. We'll see you again soon.